Now that our potatoes have cooled down just a little bit, we're going to take our slotted spoon and in a big can, we're going to scoop that oil out. And then we're just going to let those potatoes rest. I'm going to go ahead and prepare our cilantro. So we're going to take a small part of a bunch, and with the middle of the knife, we're going to go across it once, turn it, do the same thing. We're going to bunch everything back up together, and then we're going to use the back part of the knife because most people use the front and this, so this is generally the sharpest. So we're going to hold the knife with this hand. This is a lot more effective than this, and we'll cut this in small pieces a lot faster.